Hey guys, it's mobiledom.blogspot.com, and today I've got an unboxing for you of the orange San Francisco, also known as the ZTE Blade. Alright, let's get straight into this unboxing. This is a scalpel to cut through the Orange Wednesdays sticker. I think I'll leave that bit to a minute. There we go, have more luck that side. Oh, and there's one that side as well. Wait a sec. Done. So now let's get straight into this unboxing. Right, on the top, when we open it, we have a bright top-ups card, always nice. We have a little miniature version of the San Francisco itself, a little booklet, read me first. Oh, it's just going through the Android operating system. And at the back I have my new orange SIM card. Push that to the side. Open this up, we have the San Francisco itself. Take out this little sleeve. Very nice. Screen flicker off. Push that to the side while I get to the rest of the unboxing. Right under there. Wow, nothing. Here's where everything is. I'm not sure what the accent was, people. Sorry. Here we have a USB with a long length of cable to a standard micro USB cable. And I say going standard with that now. Oh, check. We have the Blade's battery, which is a... No, I've got this camera doesn't focus. It's a 1250 mAh battery. I'm not sure if that's the biggest size, but we'll see what it's like in testing. Alright, we have a pair of headphones with a 4-pole 3.5mm headphone jack, length of wire to the box with a click microphone, so it's call end and send, and we have this horrible design of headphones, which one is shorter than the other, so you have to wrap it around your neck. They seem pretty lightweight and dangly. I wouldn't use them unless I have to, but luckily it's a 3.5mm jack, so I can use whatever I want. And in the box we have a new design. It's a modular USB based charger, but instead of the USB plugging straight into the power adapter itself, you've got a little cable, and then that plugs in there, like so. Nice design. Probably hold off a bit more. Orange San Francisco, big ass book, because everyone's reading that now. Look at this second, I shall. That one's in colour, still pretty big though. Oh, and this is just telling me how to remove my back plate. Right, now I'm just going to put all that back in the box quickly. And push this off to the side, peoples. Peoples of the United Kingdom, where I'm from. Wow, what is it with me and freaky accents? Right, here we have the San Francisco. Let me just try and get the back cover off. There we go. Don't worry guys, it's not actually that hard, I'm just an idiot with no nails. Alright, so I'll put my new SIM card in, which Orange kindly deactivated my current SIM. Sorry guys, wait a sec. People tell me I say sorry too much. Is that true, guys? I don't really think it is, but I don't think you can ever say sorry too many times. In here we have a 2 GB micro SD card under a cool little sliding door. Battery goes in this way, and sorry, try and put the cover back on. Right, that's it. Oh, I shouldn't have taken the screen protector off so early. Right, I'll power it on. Nice little Android go. And while it's turning on, I'll give you a few technical specifications. It's a 3.5 inch diagonal capacitive OLED display with 800 by 480 resolution, which I can tell you, for a £100 phone, isn't too shabby. Actually, it's very, very good, and it looks beautiful. On the front we have a home, menu and back buttons, and they are physical buttons, not capacitive. On the right side of the device, sorry, we have nothing but a chrome volume rocker. Sorry, the volume rocker here, a very fast booter. On this side we have nothing but a micro USB. On the bottom, a little notch for a microphone and the notch to take the battery cover off, which I fail at. On the top, yay, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and the power on, off and screen lock button. On the back we have a 3.2 megapixel fixed focus camera. Alright, so guys, I'll pick this up to the camera now. Alright, so sound off, sound on, unlock. Alright, I'm going to do setup, so English, yes please. Yep. Internet, mobile Wi-Fi, yeah. Email, add account. I'm going to add my email pretty quickly, alright? Wait a sec. Alright, I can't seem to add my email right now. Next. Congratulations, it's set up. Not too bad. Oh, this has got that horrible orange UI lay, which actually, apparently, if I'm told right, it goes into landscape. And it does. It's the only UI I know that does that on Android, which is pretty cool. Back to portrait please. We have the notification. Oh, sorry. We have the notification. We have the 5 panels. And this is powered by a 600 megahertz processor. Right. This I've told has a very good app for me because I'm not really a massive fan of this. It's called Home Screen Switcher. Home Screen Selector, sorry. I'm not a massive fan of this, so launcher. Yes, I want that. Keep home screen. Yes. I've set this so it will automatically go to standard declare. There we go. Now I've got the little dots at the side. Got all my home screens. Alright guys, that's mobiledom.blogspot.com with a unboxing and quick overview of the Orange San Francisco or ZTE Blade. Visit me at or Twitter /mobile_dom. See you in the next video guys.